So we were so close to the California border, and neither of us have been there. We decided we're just gonna go over the border into California. There's a little Buffalo Bills Resort and Casino, roller coaster. Looks kind of cool. Check that out. Buffalo Bills. Some fancy stuff. There's a little casino Whiskey Pete's, like a castle. Uh-oh, here comes the California sign. Is it?
Yep.
Woo! Welcome to California! Hey babe, we made it to California! Yes! Thanks for going to California with me. Oh, thanks for taking me to California. Gas station that has chandeliers. So this is the second one, the second Terribles we were at.